So in this video here, we're going to talk about web hosting billing software. We're going to go over a bunch of different types of softwares, billing softwares, what are the features and advantages of using it if you're a web hosting reseller. I'm also going to talk about how you should choose the right software for your billing solutions. So first of all here, let's going to talk about the different types of billing softwares. So we use these types of softwares to automate a lot of repetitive processes and basically just processes that makes it easier to handle all the formalities in the background. So when we're talking about like automated billing, invoicing, payment processes, and just account management in general for your customers and clients, so you can just like hook them up. You don't have to spend all the manual time yourself sending out invoices. All of those processes can be automated with these web hosting billing solutions. So the first benefit of using these web hosting billing software is basically just to streamline all your business processes and automate them so you can focus on the most important thing, which is marketing, customer support, and act like just providing the services for your customers. So you have your website reseller business, then you have your automated tools with your web hosting billing software. We have some videos where we cover all of that, where we cover like the pros and cons about different web hosting billing software. All of that is available on the Verpex YouTube channel and also a ton of blog posts on the website. So we're going to automate all these processes with recurring billing, generating invoices for our customers, processing different types of payments, sending payment reminders and so on if our customers is not paying us. Basically just reducing errors and also minimizing the work that we have to do on our end, because a lot of these processes here, they can be automated, they're very repetitive. It is the exact same thing that we have to do every single time, and that's why we have these specific softwares that can help us out with that, so we can just focus on the most important thing: generate money, marketing, provide support for our customers. So this is also one of the benefits. It basically just increases the customer support. It makes it more easy for the customers as well. You don't have to go back and forth with the customers. It just looks like a way more professional setup when you have this whole automated process. And it's also way more cost efficient. So that's another benefit of it, because it will reduce a ton of manual work. You'll not end up making costly errors and so on, or maybe forgetting some of the steps in the processes. So now we know the benefits of these types of software. So now we're going to take a look at some different types of them and also which one that you should choose for your specific needs. So we actually have videos here on the channel where we're going to cover pretty much the pros and cons for all of them and also go through what it is in detail. So we have these different hosting billing platforms like HostBill, Blesta, WHMCS, which is the most popular one, and we cover that in detail inside the blog post, but also in those videos. All the tools pretty much do the same. They have some small variations here and there, so that will depend on your specific needs. And when you're providing the software here, you can both do it as a cloud-based solution. So basically everything is just stored in the cloud, can be automated with an internet connection. You can go back and forth, but you can also have dedicated hosting where it's actually like on an entire dedicated server for a specific client and customer, depending on your needs. Again, if you have some smaller clients and so on, it might be better if you go with the cloud-based solutions. But if you have some very large ones, you're concerned with security, they need to keep the data in-house and so on, it might make more sense to have dedicated hosting as well. So some of the features of web hosting billing software is basically like the automated billing, as we talked about, PCI compliance as well, security features. There's also a ton of security features that can be integrated into it. Everything is taken care of with these web hosting billing software, and even the payment gateways are also taken care of, so you can have different payment options for your customers. So that could be like PayPal, debit card, credit card, Stripe, and so on. So all of that is handled inside this web hosting billing software as well. And you can also go inside the admin panels. You can do a ton of customizations, both for the billing plans, but also for your specific customers, depending on what they need access to. You can have different plans and so on, but we cover that specifically in the other video. You'll also get reporting, analytics, so you're going to track each individual customer. And then you can use that data to go in and make informed decisions based on different types of services that you could provide. Maybe something is working better than others, and then you can go in and do decisions based on the analytics from your software as well. It also integrates together with a bunch of other different types of software, so you can like automate even more processes. You can have like invoicing, you can have accounting software and so on, which you can connect both the payments but also the invoicing to, so you can automate the full process, because again, All of these are formalities, very repetitive tasks. So it's good to set these software solutions up so we can just focus on the most important things. So now we know the benefits, we know the different types of web hosting billing software. So let's now going to talk about how you can choose the right one for you, because it really depends on your situation and also what type of customers you have or potential customers in the future. So we have three main factors that we should take into account when we need to find the right software for us, and it's basically our business needs that we talked about. We want to improve customer experience as well. We want to have the best software for specific customers, and then also increase profitability so we don't go with a too expensive solution. So we need to research all the available solutions. I've already mentioned the other video we have where we go over all these tools here in detail, what they are, what are the advantages, pros, cons, and so on for each individual one of them, because there's not just one software, but there's tons of different variations and also solutions out there. Also consider support and security from these hosters depending on your expertise level. If you want to do integrations and so on, that could be really hard if you're not familiar with it. If you're just a reseller starting out a business, doing website reselling, setting up your software here for the first time, then you might not be familiar with all these different features and what you need to take into account and also set up initially. Then there's also the integration part with it, as we talked about before. If you want to integrate with other different types of external software systems, could be like for accounting, CRM, ticketing software, and so on. So those are the most important things to take into account when you want to choose your web hosting billing software. We want to automate as many processes as possible in our businesses, especially all the repetitive ones, and also where we want to reduce the human error and also basically just make it more professional for our customers. Because again, if we have like a full pipeline, the customer's just going through that, we have a nice onboarding process, the invoicing, billing, and all of that is just taken care of, it will make more time for us, but it will also look more professional for your customers, so we can focus on the marketing and actually like making money with our reseller hosting business. So if you want to dive even more into the details, definitely going to check out our blog post, but also the other videos that we have on the Verpex YouTube channel. We cover all the details in there, and then you're going to choose your web hosting billing software based on those details. It's Nicola from Verpex. I hope to see you guys in one of the upcoming videos. Until then, happy learning.